Hey guys, this is Scrappy K Sue. I got a card I want to show you. I had gotten a bunch of the shaker card stuff from Queen & Company, and I did, let's see, did I do, no, I didn't do, they had one for Halloween and I didn't get it in time, so I'll probably do some throughout the year, but I just went ahead and started on the Christmas one. And I also got some autumn ones I'm going to do too, but these are really cute. But this set did tags. Now I could just done the tag by itself, but I wanted to put it on a card. And it comes with this paper and these little sticker sentiments here. And this, I got this from my stash. But all of these little things comes with it, all the shaker stuff. And then on the inside, this I think came in that, it's got a paper pad with it. And then I have a punch that's got this joy on there, so I did that and my own sentiment here. But I wanted to put it on there. And they've got different shapes. It's got this one and a round one and a square one. This one is the rectangle one. So, isn't that cute? I love it. And then I just put my own little stuff on it. So, just wanted to show you that. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.